Hi YouTube, and today we're playing some hide extreme with my friend here.
Friend.
Yeah. What, you want to be called animal still?
No thanks.
And now I'm like, okay, there we go. Here, let me do something. Okay. Waiting. Hey, where are you, friend? Friend,
I'm over here.
jumping up and down.
Yep.
Okay, I see you. I need to hurry up because Frankie might get me. Hi. Okay, sorry because I'm just something like my microphone's like not working or something. It says if any he's right there. Hi. I'm trying to lead him on. Okay, my mic stopped working, so sorry. This doesn't work. Then I teach in Roblox. Just click right here, and then just put. But I'm
in. I'm done.
So I really don't want to do that. You should have fallen.
Frankie was a different bit.
We ran toward him. And if you guys, and also don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and okay. Also, I'm still recording. I still didn't get caught actually.
I'm tired.
What time is it anyway? And we're also. I'm gonna also do this thing. You guys see what kind of clothes to bacon hair or nude.
If he likes, he should do
dress up as a girl. Yeah, 20. I would dress up as a girl. I'm gonna be going into servers, acting like a girl, and to see if I can
react to a
music video. If I'm if I'm gonna dress
up a blanket.
If I'm gonna dress, I'm gonna see if I could try pulling
No,
off.
you wear high heels and dress.
And Roblox.
Oh.
And digger prank. Oh, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Who's it? Yeah, my screen, because my screen's. Yeah.
Mine doesn't show the diamond.
Mine does.
I have a dog. That's weird.
Just not like. I know it's still recording. Oh, I see you. Away from me. Walking through the leaves. That's what I heard you say.
Because I was.
It's 30 likes. What I would do is. Okay, Okay. Time to get out there. How much money do you have?
Oh, then
Sorry YouTube about that. It's because every time it does that, it's something about my mic not working.
Oh, you're close by me.
I know where you are. You're at that tree.
I see you.
There's someone called.
Oh my gosh,
Oh, I think you're a girl. I mean, I'm girl 39. Okay, guys. Sorry, mic keeps not.
She's not working.
Yes, I hammered it.
Whatever.
I wonder what's that right there. But we're. Lighting.
We might even win.
YouTube. I'm gonna stop working, and we were so close for you guys to see the one. But this is the end of the video, so bye, addict. Bye.
Oh, addict. Let's again.
Wait. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe,
and hit the bell. Red bell.